Hello everyone, Brian here for Pang Industrial. Today we're going to talk about belt repair. Conveyor belts get battle tested and beat up every day, and when a belt gets damaged, it can shut down production completely. Luckily, Pang Industrial has some fast and easy solutions to repair gouges, holes, and tears quickly and get belts back up and running. Today we're going to focus on solutions for relatively minor repairs. We'll cover more significant belt repairs and belt splicing in future Pang Industrial training videos. For minor gouges, rips, and holes, we offer two fast and easy solutions to fill the injury. First up is Pang It Chemical Cure Rubber. This easy-to-use two-part AB compound is ideal for filling belt lagging and lining injuries. Simply grab the appropriate amount of compound to fill the injury and begin working the two parts together. Once you've achieved a pliable, putty-like texture, begin working the material into the injury. After 72 hours at room temperature, the material will be fully cured. You can even buff it. Another option for minor rips, gouges, and holes is our Eliflex Rubber repair resin. This works in a very similar way to our A&B compound. However, Eliflex comes in pre-metered packs ranging from 100 to 500 grams of material. The nice thing is you can simply mix the two solutions together and apply the material directly from the packaging. This is ideal for the do-it-yourselfer and can be used with no training or experience required. Your repair will be ready to return to service in as little as 2 to 4 hours. For larger belt injuries, we also offer a full line of cold vulcanizing belt repair products. These repairs come in a variety of sizes depending on the size of injury you'll be repairing. To install, determine the proper placement of the repair patch, trace out a section to buff, and prep the area for repair installation. Next, buff out the section slightly larger than the repair unit. Then clean the area using Buffsol pre-buff cleaner. Next, remove the poly to expose the chemical bond cushion gum. Coat both the repair unit and the buff section with a thin layer of Pangafol cement. Let the first coat dry completely and then apply a second coat and allow it to dry until tacky. Then press the repair unit firmly into place. If you're doing a lot of belt repairs, you may want to invest in an extruder gun. This combined with our A&B strip rubber makes it easy to fill injuries and seams in rubber lining and pulley lagging. We hope you enjoyed this brief overview of our belt repair products and techniques. To learn more, we invite you to visit pangindustrial.com, and for the ultimate belt repair training, sign up for one of our in-person classes at our training facility near Columbus, Ohio.